In today's interconnected world, businesses are increasingly looking beyond their borders for growth and efficiency. Offshore production, the process of manufacturing goods or services in foreign countries, has emerged as a vital strategy in the global economy. By tapping into lower labor costs, accessing specialized skills, and expanding into new markets, companies can gain a significant competitive edge. Offshore production allows businesses to optimize their operations, reduce expenses, and enhance their bottom line. Companies can now seamlessly collaborate with partners across continents, leverage digital tools for real-time communication, and streamline their supply chains for enhanced productivity. This strategic approach to manufacturing has become a cornerstone of success for businesses of all sizes, from multinational corporations to small and medium-sized enterprises. By diversifying their manufacturing base, companies can mitigate risks associated with economic fluctuations, political instability, and natural disasters. Offshore production fosters innovation by exposing companies to different cultures, ideas, and manufacturing processes. By carefully navigating the complexities and embracing strategic solutions, companies can harness the full potential of offshore production and thrive in the global marketplace. While offshore production offers significant advantages, it also presents unique challenges that businesses must navigate effectively. From cultural differences and language barriers to logistical hurdles and quality control issues, companies need to develop a comprehensive understanding of the complexities involved. One of the key considerations is selecting the right offshore location. Factors such as labor costs, infrastructure, political stability, and regulatory environment vary widely across countries. Establishing clear communication channels and fostering strong relationships with offshore partners is crucial for successful collaboration. Ensuring compliance with local laws, regulations, and ethical considerations is essential. Regular audits, inspections, and performance monitoring help ensure that offshore production meets the required standards. By addressing these challenges head-on and implementing effective solutions, businesses can mitigate risks, optimize their offshore operations, and achieve sustainable success in the global marketplace. Selecting the right offshore partners is paramount to the success of any offshore production venture. The ideal partner should not only possess the necessary manufacturing capabilities and technical expertise, but also share the company's values, commitment to quality, and long-term vision. Thorough due diligence is crucial when evaluating potential partners. Companies should assess factors such as the partner's track record, financial stability, reputation, and compliance with industry standards. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any successful partnership. Regular meetings, progress updates, and performance reviews help ensure that both parties are aligned and working towards common goals. By investing time and effort in selecting the right partners and nurturing those relationships, companies can establish a solid foundation for successful offshore production. Managing the supply chain effectively is crucial for the success of any manufacturing operation, and offshore production is no exception. The complexity of coordinating the flow of materials, information, and finances across borders requires meticulous planning, robust systems, and proactive risk management. Companies need to establish a resilient and responsive supply chain that can adapt to unexpected disruptions and ensure timely delivery of high-quality products. Companies should leverage technology solutions such as enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, warehouse management systems, WMS, and transportation management systems, TMS, to track inventory levels, monitor shipments, and gain real-time insights into supply chain operations. Collaboration and communication are equally important. Regular communication, information sharing, and joint problem-solving help ensure that all parties are aligned and working towards common goals. Diversifying sourcing, establishing buffer inventory, and securing alternative transportation routes can enhance supply chain resilience. Technology plays a pivotal role in enabling and optimizing offshore production, transforming the way companies manage their global operations. From communication and collaboration tools to automation and data analytics, technology solutions empower businesses to streamline processes, enhance efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. Cloud-based platforms and software-as-a-service, or SaaS, solutions have revolutionized communication and collaboration in offshore production. Companies can now seamlessly connect with their offshore partners, share real-time data, and collaborate on product design, production planning, and quality control. Automation is another key technology trend transforming offshore production. Robotics, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are being deployed to automate repetitive tasks, improve precision, and enhance overall productivity. Data analytics is essential for optimizing offshore production processes. Predictive analytics can help anticipate potential disruptions and optimize inventory levels, reducing costs and improving customer satisfaction. Apple, the tech giant renowned for its innovative products, is a prime example of a company that has mastered offshore production to achieve global success. Apple's products are designed in California but manufactured in various countries, including China, India, and Vietnam, leveraging the strengths of each location. China has been a key manufacturing hub for Apple for many years, thanks to its vast manufacturing ecosystem, skilled labor force, and competitive costs. Apple partners with Foxconn, a Taiwanese electronics manufacturing giant, to assemble iPhones, iPads, and other products in massive factories in China. In recent years, Apple has been diversifying its manufacturing base to reduce its reliance on China and mitigate risks associated with trade tensions and geopolitical uncertainties. The company has expanded its manufacturing operations in India, partnering with local companies like Wistron and Foxconn to assemble iPhones for the domestic market. Apple's success in offshore production can be attributed to its strategic approach to partner selection, supply chain management, and technology adoption. For businesses venturing into offshore production, several practical tips can contribute to a smoother and more successful experience. Thorough research is paramount, encompassing potential locations, their labor laws, political climates, and logistical considerations. Choosing the right location tailored to specific business needs is crucial. Due diligence in selecting manufacturing partners is equally important. Evaluating their track record, financial stability, and reputation alongside site visits and meetings with key personnel mitigates risks. Transparent communication channels, clearly defined roles and responsibilities, and regular progress updates ensure everyone is aligned. Implementing robust quality control measures is non-negotiable. Regular audits, inspections, and performance monitoring alongside clear quality standards communicated to partners maintain brand reputation and customer satisfaction. Embracing technology streamlines operations. Cloud-based platforms, communication tools, and project management software enhance collaboration and efficiency. The landscape of offshore production is constantly evolving, shaped by technological advancements, geopolitical shifts, and changing consumer demands. Automation, driven by robotics, AI, and machine learning, is poised to play an even greater role in the future, increasing efficiency and enabling the production of more complex and customized goods. The rise of Industry 4.0, characterized by interconnected systems and data exchange, will further revolutionize offshore production. Smart factories equipped with sensors, data analytics, and automation will enable real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and optimized decision-making. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is gaining traction and has the potential to disrupt traditional manufacturing models. Companies are increasingly diversifying their manufacturing bases to mitigate risks associated with political instability, trade wars, and pandemics. Nearshoring, the practice of relocating production closer to home, is gaining popularity, driven by factors such as rising labor costs in traditional offshore locations and the need for shorter supply chains. Offshore production has become an integral part of the global economy, offering businesses significant opportunities to enhance their competitiveness, reduce costs, and access new markets. By carefully navigating complexities, embracing strategic solutions, and leveraging technology, companies can harness the full potential of offshore production. Selecting the right partners, establishing robust supply chains, and implementing effective communication channels are essential for success in offshore production. By prioritizing quality control, embracing automation, and staying ahead of technological advancements, businesses can optimize their offshore operations and achieve sustainable growth. By embracing the offshore opportunity and adapting to emerging trends, businesses can unlock new avenues for growth, enhance their global reach, and shape the future of manufacturing.